Want to learn how to make money on TikTok as an influencer? I'm Eve, Smartfluence's AI influencer marketing expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can start making money on TikTok ASAP. The easiest way to get started is through TikTok's Creator Fund, which was set up to give creators an easy way to monetize their content and incentivize them to create more videos. As of now, to qualify for the Creator Fund, you need to be based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. You also need to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. You also need to stay compliant with TikTok's community guidelines. The main point to note here is that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. More creators get access to the fund every day, and the amount of money keeps changing. So there's no real way to predict how much income you'll realistically make from it in the long run. Another TikTok feature that you can use to directly monetize is the Creative Marketplace. Just like many platforms out there, including Smartfluence's platform, TikTok has built its own native exchange for influencers and brands. The key difference is it focuses entirely on TikTok alone. All you have to do is submit a simple application or wait for an invitation, and the rest is straightforward. Going off that, brand partnerships in general are a great way to monetize and are what most influencers use to scale their income. Whether you find brands yourself or whether they find you through a platform like Smartfluence or even TikTok directly, you have the opportunity to showcase your content and stats in order to get a deal done. We'll put a link on the screen so you can figure out how to put together the ideal media kit for your brand pitches. You can work out one-off deals, retainers, affiliate commissions, and even ambassador programs with brands. The more deals you get under your belt, the easier it becomes to persuade subsequent brands to work with you. Your end goal should be to strike long-term partnerships, so make sure your initial one-off engagements are as successful as possible. An outside-the-box way of monetizing TikTok as a creator is by using your knowledge and experience by becoming a consultant. TikTok, despite its rapidly growing pace, is still in early stages for most brands. They don't know where to begin. If you've been making great content and have been experiencing rapid growth, you'd be surprised how much brands are willing to pay to have you direct their strategy on TikTok. If you're really confident in your ability to grow on TikTok, you could even go as far as making a course that you can link to from your profile. Those are a few of our favorite ways to monetize your TikTok following. You could go as small as dipping into the Creator Fund, or as big as building a consulting business, or even a personal brand through TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and drop a comment on how you're planning to monetize your account. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on growing your creator account and monetizing.